Hi, this is Dave again. I'm actually going to show you how to put the wireless card in this, the wireless BGN card. I actually don't know why there's only one port for the memory. I thought this computer had two, but apparently it already had two gigabit of memory in it. So I don't know why it says it has two, but it doesn't have two. So whatever. I'm going to attempt to do the wireless card, so this should be interesting. I watched a few demo videos already on YouTube, so of course always remove the battery. Open the lid all the way open so that it doesn't open anymore. And I have a flat screwdriver here where you can just, there's a little area to pry on the right side. Just pull it up very gently. The whole thing just comes out just like that. Very simple. And what I'm going to do is you have to remove I'm not going to remove the keyboard completely. There's 3 screws. Let's see if I can find them. I have a magnetized screwdriver, so I'm glad I have that. So these are going to be hard to see. I want to make sure that I can find them fairly simple. They're kind of hard on this. I gotta find something to put these in. Actually, let me just put them in this little plastic thing here. There's one. There's 3 of them, and I've already done this. I've done this to originally to make sure that I could find the wireless card, to make sure that's where it is. Okay, these screws are so small and I don't see very well, so but this should help the help it. And this just peels back here. This just peels back. It shouldn't take hardly any force to pull that back. Some people remove the retaining clip here, but you know what? I may have to do that. Okay. I really showed how on the video. Let's see here. Mine doesn't have a retaining clip, it just unplugs. Pretty simple. And there's the wireless card right there. Right there. This is just a G card. They're pretty small, so I'm hoping there's any screws holding it down. I'm looking. And I think there is. Maybe not, I can't tell. I'll take the antennas off. It's such a tight spot. Let's look here. That's so small. Those come out pretty easily. Oops, I don't want that. I can get it out. I think I just did. There's 2, and then the third one is right here. We just got a cap on it. 1, 2, these are the antennas, so there's 3. Well, I gotta figure out how to get this out of here. I can't tell if there's screws in there. Like a retaining clip or something. Oh, there's a button or something here. Wait a minute, you're supposed to pull this back. Just can't see it. You know what? I found the other thing for the memory. It's underneath the keyboard. There's one on one side, one on the other. What would you know? Let me see any. John, I don't have your money. Your mother's got it. It is what it is. Yeah, I don't have it. I can't tell if those are screws. I just can't see it. I'm going to pause this for a minute.